Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn super trend indicator, how to trade using super trend indicator, and at the last we will analyze the performance and the accuracy of the super trend indicator. So let's get started. So super trend indicator is a trend following indicator and it uses the ATR value to calculate the super trend indicator value. So what is ATR value? If you don't know what is ATR value, just watch out my video, that is a ATR indicator. Okay, now in super trend indicator, buy signal is generated when the stock price turn greater than indicator value, and sell signal is generated when the stock price turn lesser than the indicator value. So in order to add super trend indicator, okay, I am going to use my Zerodha Kite account. So in Kite account, just add super trend indicator. Okay, it provides two parameter, period and multiplier. So add. Now when the price is close above this line, okay, so it represent a trend reversal. Okay, so whenever the price close above this line, trend reversal, now you can look for buy. Okay, so whenever the price is above this green line, you can look for buy opportunity. When the price is below this red line, you have to find out the sell opportunity. So here at this point, super trend will give the uh, sell signal. Okay, close is below this indicator generate the sell value, so you can sell here. But after that we have up movement but taking resistance at this point and came back down. Okay, so it just represent a trend. If you are going to take entry and exit based on indicator value, then it might be possible you will lose the money. For example, again here we will see. Okay, so you can sell here, but after that we have a huge upward movement, so it might be possible the stop loss will trigger. So in super trend, if you want to trade using only super trend, you can keep a line as a stop loss, or just below this line you can take put stop loss. Okay, so whenever you can take entry here, first entry, second entry, you can take do a short selling here also by keeping stop loss just above this line. Okay, same way here, if you are going to take entry here, after that it might be possible according to your risk management, stop loss will hit, so you can sell once a signal is generated and price will come near the red line, you can sell it. Okay, here also see price move up, came back, okay, two times taking support below the trend line, okay, and again then move up. So it's very difficult to trade simply using super trend. It is just a trend following indicator, or it provide a trend. Okay, whenever price is above this green line, a stock is in an uptrend. When stock price is below this red line, stock is in down trend. Now in order to analyze the performance of super trend indicator, I have opened my stick account and I am going to apply the super trend indicator on a Nifty future, and we are going to analyze the performance of a super trend indicator. So here I have had a Nifty May future, time duration is 5 minutes. I want to buy one lot. So default condition super trend 7 and 3, that is a multiplier and period. When the crosses below the close means it is generating a green signal in super trend. Exit condition is 0.5, target is 1. Okay, same way candlestick and MIS and starting time and ending time. Just give your name whatever you want to give. Save and backtest. So this is normally only pure, you can say, super trend. It is normally a trend following indicator. It shows the trend. But if you want to take trade on only on super trend, in order to analyze that trading system, I have apply on a Zerodha. Okay, and you can see the profit is 48 signals is generated, 22 wins, 25 losses, and the profit is just only 1788. If you are going to remove brokerage, then we have a loss around minus 6000, because super trend is trend following indicator, it shows the trend. Okay, we cannot take trade on super trend, but if you want to take trade only on super trend, then the accuracy is very low. Even we don't have any profit. Okay, we have a loss. So I just want to modify that algorithm. Instead of 0.5, I will take 1 percentile. Wait, just because we want to analyze. Okay, yeah, minus 16,000. Okay, so it shows some loss also, but we will keep 0.5, or we will add one more condition that super trend closes, and here we are going to take multiplier 0.5, not 3. Okay, so now it shows only 1000 and signals are generated is more. Okay, so we have a 18,000 losses. So just I want to conclude that purely based on super trend we cannot take trade, because it once the movement is complete, then it shows the entry point, and which is invalid because we want to enter when the trend is started. It just show the trend whether it is uptrend or downtrend, and for that purpose you can use super trend, but purely only on super trend we cannot take trade, otherwise we will get loss. Okay, so the accuracy is very less, even we have a loss. So not alone, please not do not alone use super trend. Okay, so I have already tested so many algorithms, indicator. Okay, and I have already tested performance of different indicator on a nifty future. So just watch out the video series, the link is given below in the description box. In this video we have backtest our super trend indicator on a nifty future. That is only one algorithm. So I have made a trading system in which we have applied multiple indicator, and I have also analyze the algorithm of that trading system. Okay, so there are so many trading system I have implemented. Just watch out the video series, the link is given below in the description box, and try to analyze the accuracy of the different trading system. Okay, so if you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share with others. Thank you.